Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about AIMS NOT set previous year related question answer part 6. Let's start. The first question, the tricolor code red indicates option A dead or non-salvageable, option B immediate priority life threatening, option C delayed stable, option D minor walking wounded. The correct option is option B immediate priority life threatening. Which of the following is an early sign of compartment syndrome? Option A pulselessness, option B paralysis, option C paresthesia, tingling or numbness, option D pallor. The correct option is option C paresthesia, tingling or numbness. A positive Montex test 10 mm in duration indicates option A active tuberculosis, option B immunity to TB, option C exposure to Mycobacterium tuberculosis, option D patient is non-infectious. The correct option is option C exposure to Mycobacterium tuberculosis. During a blood transfusion, the patient complains of chills and back pain. The first action is option A notify the physician, option B slow the infusion rate, option C administer diphenhydramine, option D stop the transfusion immediately. The correct option is option D stop the transfusion immediately. In biomedical waste management (BMW), which bag is used for discarding human anatomical waste? Option A yellow, option B red, option C black, option D white. The correct option is option A yellow. What are the 4 A's of schizophrenia? Option A anxiety, ambivalence, autism and affect disturbance. Option B amnesia, anxiety, autism and affected disturbance. Option C autism, affect convulsions, anxiety and amnesia. Option D autism, ambivalence, affect disturbance and associated disturbance. The correct option is option D autism, ambivalence, affect disturbance and associated disturbance. Which vitamin is administered to newborn immediately after birth to prevent bleeding? Option A vitamin B12, option B vitamin C, option C vitamin A, option D vitamin K. The correct option is option D vitamin K. What is the normal respiratory rate for a newborn? Option A 30 to 60 breaths per minute, option B 60 to 80 breaths per minute, option C 80 to 100 breaths per minute, option D 50 to 70 breaths per minute. The correct option is option A 30 to 60 breaths per minute. What is the dose of anti-D RHO-GAM given to an Rh negative mother? Option A 100 mcg usually within 48 hours of delivery or at 28 weeks gestation. Option B 300 mcg usually within 72 hours of delivery or at 28 weeks gestation. Option C 300 mcg usually within 48 hours of delivery or at 12 weeks gestation. Option D none of the above. The correct option is option B 300 mcg usually within 72 hours of delivery or at 28-week gestation. Which assessment is most critical before administering a dose of digoxin? Option A apical pulse for 1 full minute, option B temperature, option C blood pressure, option D respiratory rate. The correct option is option A apical pulse for 1 full minute. Which of the following is the universal donor blood type? Option A AB positive, option B O negative, option C O positive, option D A negative. The correct option is option B O negative. Which cranial nerve is tested by asking the patient to shrug their shoulders against resistance? Option A, CN12 hypoglossal. Option B, CN7 facial. Option C, CN11 spinal accessory. Option D, CN10 vagus. The correct option is option C, CN11 spinal accessory. At what age should a child typically be able to sit without support? Option A, 2 months. Option B, 12 months. Option C, 4 months. Option D, 6 to 8 months. The correct option is option D, 6 to 8 months. Which of the following is the most common site for a hospital-acquired nosocomial infection? Option A, urinary tract. Option B, surgical wounds. Option C, respiratory tract. Option D, bloodstream. The correct option is option A, urinary tract. What is the primary characteristic of trials in a mass casualty indicate? Option A, doing the greatest good for the greatest number of people. Option B, treating the most critically ill first, regardless of survival chance. Option C, providing care to everyone simultaneously. Option D, treating those who arrives at the hospital first. The correct option is option A, doing the greatest good for the greatest number of people. Which of the following is considered the gold standard for confirming the placement of a nasogastric NG tube? Option A, auscultating air bolus. Option B, X-ray of the chest or abdomen. Option C, observing for respiratory distress. Option D, checking gastric pH. The correct option is option B, X-ray of the chest or abdomen. A patient is admitted with a serum potassium level of 6.2 milliequivalent per liter. Which ECG change should the nurse monitor for most closely? Option A, shortened PR interval. Option B, prominent U waves. Option C, tall peak T waves. Option D, ST segment depression. The correct option is option C, tall peaked T waves. What is the priority nursing action when a patient experiences an acute hemolytic transfusion reaction? Option A, administer Benadryl immediately. Option B, slow the rate of infusion. Option C, recheck the patient's ID band. Option D, stop the transfusion and maintain IV access with normal saline. The correct option is option D, stop the transfusion and maintain IV access with normal saline. A patient with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD) is receiving oxygen. Why is it important to maintain a low flow rate 1 to 2 liters per minute? Option A, to prevent the loss of the hypoxic drive to breathe. Option B, to prevent oxygen toxicity in the lungs. Option C, because higher rates require a venturi mask. Option D, to avoid drying out the nasal mucosa. The correct option is option A, to prevent the loss of the hypoxic drive to breathe. While assessing a newborn, the nurse notices a blue-black macule on the lower back and buttock. How should the nurse document this finding? Option A, Mongolian spot. Option B, telangiectatic navi. Option C, nevus flammus. Option D, ecchymosis due to birth trauma. The correct option is option A, Mongolian spot. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.